We're making a new set of stairs as part of our remodel. We're going to have 4 stringers. I took the total run and the total rise, divided that by how many steps I wanted to have to come up with a comfortable run and rise for each step. As you can see here, not very clearly because I didn't get a very good view, but what I did is I took a framing square and I found my dimensions for my run and rise, and I clamped a bar to it so that I could make repeat lines, and I just went down this board starting at the bottom. The bottom of the board is going to rest on a little platform and then go up from there. It ended up being 11 steps. It ended up being a 7.5 inch rise with a 10.25 inch run. Felt that was very comfortable. So here I can just make my repeat lines and then I'll be ready to cut. As you can see here, I'm carefully making my initial cuts with the circular saw. I will later complete the cuts with the jigsaw. Now that the cuts are being complete with the jigsaw, I can use this first stringer as a pattern for the remaining 3, so they will all be identical.